Next we'll continue with the same exercise 1.2. In that we'll take up the fourth problem. Fourth problem says which term of AP 3 8 13 3 8 13 18 dash 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 is 78. Which term of AP 3 dash 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma 18 comma is 78. So here they have given sequence. This sequence is like this: 3 8 13 18, and in between you have so many terms. The last term is given. Last term itself is given. Okay, now in this sequence you know that A is equal to 3. D we can find out. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 8. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay, last term is given. So number of terms we don't know. You have to find out. Okay, but last term is given. AN. AN is given. So put the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. AN is nothing but 78. 78 is equal to A means 3. N we don't know. You have to find out. Minus 1 into D you know. How much? 5. So 78. This is the value. These are the values. Don't get confused. Is equal to 3 as it is plus. Now n value we don't know the value of n. So from 5 multiply both the terms. 5 into n is 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Okay. Multiply both the numbers n and 1 by 5. 78 is equal to, now I will group these two numbers together. 3 minus 5 plus 5n. 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. Is plus 5n. Now shift minus 2 here. That becomes 78 minus 2 becomes plus 2. Is equal to 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. Therefore n is, whatever number is there along with n, write down in the denominator, write 80 in the numerator. So 5 1 is how many times? 16 times. Therefore n is equal to 16. Now you got the value of n. Therefore the number of terms in this sequence is 16. 16th term is 78. Okay, now you copy down this problem. Okay, next in this problem, problem number 5. Next in this problem, find the number of terms. Number of terms, which means n, in each of the following APs. First I have taken this sequence 7 comma 13 comma 19 comma dash 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 up to 205. Here first term is this. You can find the D. So how many terms are there in this sequence? They have not given how many terms, but you know the last term here. Okay, so let us write the data first. A is equal to 7. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 13 minus 7. 6. AN is given last term 205. So number of terms is equal to question mark. You have to find out how many terms are there in this sequence. Suppose if you get the value of n as 10, this is the 10th term. Suppose if you get the value of n as 20 here, then this will become the 20th term. So whatever the value you will get for n, that this will be that particular term. Okay, now let us put the formula. AN is equal to A plus 1 into D. AN is nothing but 205, nth term. A is 7, N we don't know. N minus 1 keep as it is. D is 6. This is similar to the previous problem. 205 is equal to 7 plus from 6 multiply N and 1. 6 into N is 6N minus 6 ones are 6. Okay. 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is how much? We'll take up in the next step. Okay. 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 plus 6n. Now shift 1 this side. That becomes 205 minus 1 is equal to 6n. 205 minus 1 is 204 is equal to 6n. Therefore, n is equal to 6 in the denominator, 204 in the numerator. So, you can cancel 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 2 is the remainder 24, 6 fours are 24. Therefore, 34. And the value of n is equal to 34. So, here in this sequence you have 34 terms. Okay. Now, take down this problem. Okay. Do it properly. Okay. Next. Coming to the next problem. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So you have to find the 31st term of a sequence. We don't know the sequence actually. Okay. So you have to find the 31st term. Here what they have given 11th term. Somewhere 11th term here somewhere. Check it out. This is given value of this 11th term and somewhere here say 16th term is given. Okay, 16th term they have given us 73 and 11th term they have given us this one. Like that you have between 12th term like this. So many terms are there. So after finding the value of A, D or whatever it is, you have to find finally the 31st term. So in this sequence, first you have to find 31st term means A31 is equal to question mark. A31 means here n will be 31. Is it not? That we will take up in the last. First what you have to do is 11th term is 38. 11th term is equal to 38. 11th term means A11. A11 is equal to 38. Okay, A11 is 38. Means here what is the value of n? This is 11th term. Means number of terms 11. So what is the difference? We don't know. Okay. What is 10 they have given? N, you know, by this AN means 38. Is it not? So that n is nothing but 11th term here. Therefore n is equal to 11. D is equal to question mark. First term they have not given. A is also not known. So now you don't know the two quantities here. Okay. Similarly, here also they have given 16th term. So for this one, if you write it in the sequence, then that becomes AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. For this one I am writing. Okay. AN means they have given 11th term, that is 38 is equal to A we don't know plus N, number of terms how much? 11. 11 minus 1 into D also we don't know. Keep as it is. 38 is equal to A plus 12D. Call it. Okay, here see 11 minus 1 is 10, sorry. 10D. 38 is equal to A plus 10D. This is one equation. In the next what they have given? 16th term means 16th term which means A16 value is given, that is 73. Here also we don't know the value of n. A we don't know, D we don't know, but an value, A16 value you know. A16 means n will be 16. So similarly for this also, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is nth term is nothing but 16th term, value is given. A means we don't know, n is also known, n is 16 here. 16 minus 1 into d we don't know. 73 is equal to a plus 15d. Okay, call this as equation number 2. Okay, this is first equation and this is second equation. Now what I am going to do is, you have to solve these two as simultaneous equation, linear equation. Okay, like how you will find the value of x and y in linear equation, similarly you have to find the value of two unknown terms here, a and d. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, now let us see how to solve these two equations. This is second equation, this is first equation. What I am going to do here is subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, I have written second equation first and then first equation. Now what I am going to do is, I will change the sign for the first equation here. I will change the whole sign for all the three terms. Put the opposite sign here, plus means minus, here plus means minus. Okay, now what happens here, you have plus for a, plus a minus a gets cancelled. Plus 15 minus 10 is nothing but 5d, plus 5d is equal to 73 minus 38. How much? 35. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. So 5d is equal to 35. D is equal to 35 divided by 5, that is equal to 7. Now we got the value of D. D is equal to 7. Substitute the value of D in any one of the equation, you will get the value of A. So I will take this equation. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now put D is equal to 7 in this equation. In equation 2. Any equation you can take, either 1 or 2. A 15 into D means 7 is equal to 73. A plus 15 7s are 105 is equal to 73. Shift 103 this side. A is equal to 73 as it is. Whatever number you are shifting, you have to change the sign of that number. So A is equal to, from 73 you cannot subtract 105. From 105 subtract 73. How much you will get? 5 minus 3 is 2. Number sign. A is equal to minus 32. So D is equal to 7 and A is equal to minus 32. Finally, they have asked you to find the 31st term. Is it not? Therefore, 31st term they have asked. So, term formula you have to put. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 31st term means 31st term, which means n is equal to 31. You know the value of A, you know the value of n, put it here. So an means A31 is equal to, A means minus 32 plus n means 31st term minus 1 into D means how much? 7. Okay, A31, 31st term is equal to minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30. 30 into 7. So A31 is equal to minus 32 plus 210. Therefore A31 is equal to 210 minus 32 is how much? 210 minus 32. 10 minus 2 is 8. So here is 0. 0 minus 3 you cannot. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1. So 178. 31st term is 178. Now you can copy down this.